So the first thing I did was clean the van, or the area I'm working with. Used T-Cut, which sped things up very well, done most of the work. Then I used Paint Renovator, just to make it a little bit better. And then the car polish that has the wax with it, which actually works really well. It's pretty easy and simple to use, a lot easier than the old way of doing things with the tins. So as you can see in the reflections, you can still see marks where the sign writing used to be, where it was a previous company van. After removing the stickers, it's left the good paint behind, and they're really dull and faded all around. So this is the panel I've done so far. It's actually come up extremely well. Comparing the two together, so like I said before, I cleaned it, soapy water, T-Cut with a very hard sponge, and then went down to a medium sponge for the Paint Renovator, and then a soft sponge for the wax and polish with the wax in it, and then let the wax harden up a bit and then rubbed it off. Come up really well compared to how it was before. See the writing in there, and then going along where the writing used to be and is no more.